Caboodle fans, welcome, and welcome. We've got another exciting full box opening for you all. Today we have sparkling, shimmering makeup sets, and I have filled this entire box full of them. Now, if you are looking to purchase any of these, I did get them from either Claire's or Justice. So without further ado, let's get started. So many good ones. Look at that little unicorn. All right, let's go ahead and start with this sparkle eyeshadow. This is awesome. Not only do you have just solid colors, you've got some sparkle ones. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, Caboodle fans, take a look at all of these fabulous colors. Oh, I really like the glittery ones. Now we're gonna try these out and see all of the fun colors. Let me go right here on my arm. So here are the solid colors that I took from here. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like either the pink right here, that really bright one, or this pastel purple, which is right here. That's really pretty. On to our sparkly colors. I have cleaned off my forearm right here. Let's start with this pink one. Oh, these aren't little powdery. They're actually pretty glossy. Oh, wow. Let's go ahead and try this one. This one is more of a red. Oh yeah, okay, so now we're really getting in the eyeshadow color. So these are all pretty much gonna be the same with the glitter. Pow, there's our unicorn palette. I can't rub it off. All right, it's literally just staying on my forearm. Let's take a look at this one. This resembles a phone, but guess what? All of the little buttons are eyeshadows. Got this one at Claire's too. Let's go ahead and open this up. And look at how sparkly this one is. It has gems throughout the whole thing. Plus, we have some puffy stickers on it all over. Girl power all the way. So how you open this masterpiece up is you pop off the little cover. That is awesome. I wish it would just pop off like this though. We've got a little protector shield. Of course, we've got our little brushes, two different ones on two different sides. Here are all of the colors on this palette. So this is a makeup kit. So we've got our eyeshadows right here, and then we have our lip glosses down here. We've got solids and glittery ones for both. All right, Caboodle fans, I'm gonna pick out two to test out our eyeshadows. I really like this turquoise one. Boo, 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 boo. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, that's really pretty. Do one of the glitters. Let me do like a blue one. And then you could put this like right on top when you are doing your makeup. How awesome! If we switch over to our lip brush, I'm gonna pick two of these. This one's really popping out at me. Let's go ahead and try it right here. Oh, that's a really pretty one. Just like a light pink on your lips. Let's go with like a darker glitter one right over it. Let's see how that will look. Oh, this is super glossy too. Nice and shimmery, not too overwhelming. How cool was this phone makeup kit? Plus you get a little mirror up on top. I really like the back side of this one. Let's go with our Pucker Puffs. It's a makeup palette. It has cute little eyes. It's like a little tutu palette. That's what we're gonna name it. Boggle. How adorable is this bow? It has little gems plus the whole entire palette cover. It's like a popsicle. It is glittery, a tutu. All right, let's go ahead and just pop this open. Bum, bum, bum. We've got our lip glosses up on top, beautiful colors, and two eyeshadow colors. Let's go ahead and try these out. I'm gonna try the pink one this time. I'm gonna oh wow, that really stands out, but how awesome does that look? This time around, let's try the orange lip gloss. Let's see how that looks. Let's go over here. Okay, very, very subtle. And there you have it, our Pucker Puff palette. This one was awesome. Oh, wow. This is a disco ball palette. So it has 3 different sections. Pop it out. Fun. Okay, what are these? Looks like these are the lip gloss ones. We've got a glittery orange one in the middle. Oh, cool. Okay, so you twist it open. Holy guacamole. We've got more lip glosses here. We've got our little brushes, another one, and then we have an eyeshadow palette right in the middle. I'm gonna take the big brush out. let's see. I want to try this yellow one out. Let's see what this is going to look like. I like to use my forearm because then you can see a lot better. All right, not too noticeable, but you don't want a yellow to really pop out. That's for the pinks and blues. So that one's kind of cool. And let's do a yellow lip gloss. Let's go right here. I think I need to wash my arm. All right, so you can kind of see the yellow on this one. Wait, we're not done. Pull here. Okay, what could possibly be on the bottom here? Oh, it's blush. That's what the bigger brush is for. I mean, you could always use it for eyeshadow too, but this is really, really light pink blush. How pretty does that look? Plus, Caboodle fans, you get a little mirror up on top. This one has to be one of my favorites. Not because of all of the makeup, because it resembles a disco ball. That poop palette is staring at me. We're staring back. Its eyes are whacked up. It's smiling. Plus, it has fun colors. Let's see. Okay, so it has blush on the bottom. Oh, and you just pop this one out. Fun, it was like our little disco ball palette. Okay, I really like how these twirl out. We've got eyeshadows, lip glosses on the bottom and the top. Okay, these are really awesome. And then once you're done with them, you can quickly close them up and you have a really cute container. We've got a cute little mini owl bag palette. Whoa, that was a lot to say. Let's pop this open. Oh, this is like just a mini one if you're traveling. So here are the 3 eyeshadows that you get. I really want to try that green one. What is this gonna look like? It's gonna look really pretty. Oh, awesome. Plus you get some lip gloss and lipstick. Go ahead and pop these out. Here's what the lipstick looks like. It's very, very light pink, which I like. And then we have some lip gloss. So that can go right on top of the lipstick. Look, it adds some shimmer. Like I said, perfect for traveling because you get everything. Stuff for your eyes and your lips. What they're missing is stuff for your cheeks. All right, let's zip you up. I really want to take a look at this unicorn gloss. How adorable, Caboodle fans. Look at all of that sparkly confetti and the kawaii eyes with the beautiful colors, sparkly horn. All right, what color do you all think is in here? I don't know. Oh, we can't even see it. It's white. Okay, let's try this out. Round and round and round we go. Let's put it right here. Okay, you can't see it. There's supposed to be glitter. I don't know about this color. I wish they had like a light pink or maybe like an orange. Let's keep going. Take a look at this one. It has some really cool gems. We have some stars. And look, it's the color of the rainbow. This is a really nifty container. Push to open. Why? Cool. All right, not only is there a huge mirror that pops up, we have a palette. This is a palette of lip glosses and they're mostly shimmery and glittery. All right, I kind of want to try this one down here. Let's go ahead and put it right there. Yep, so it's just nice and glittery, no color. Put that brush right back in there, close it up. Okay, how awesome. I just want to press this button over and over again. What is this? This looks like an ice cream. Take a look at all of the colors. They kind of blend in together. Plus it has some really cool texture and it's a cute bunny with ears. All right, how do you open this up? Oh, it's from the side. Voila. So you get a mirror. You have 2 different tools that you can use. Looks like you've got star lip glosses. I really like how they switched that up. And heart eyeshadows. I think I'm gonna like this brown one. I really like just earthy tones. Go ahead and put it right here. You can kind of see it, not really though. I really like the inside of this and the outside. This one was really awesome. Fly away, butterfly. Actually, don't fly away because we gotta open you up. Look at that. That one's fallen already. Okay, I really like the container. How do you open this? Oh, cool. So 1, 2. There's just 2 palettes. So the first top one is all of our eyeshadow. They're in different shapes. And then we have our lip glosses. We've got some solid ones and some shimmery ones. How bold and awesome is this color? I really want to try it. I feel like it's gonna really stand out. Let's put it in the middle. Oh, that one is super pretty. Okay, we need this color in our unicorn. All right, butterfly, now you can fly away. Oh, look, there's a little kitty. Kind of reminds me of Hello Kitty. Look at all of these gems. If we flip it around, like the other one before. It's a little phone palette. Oh no, this is what I wanted. And then look at all of these fun lip glosses. This one's definitely a traveling one too. It has a little mirror up on top, plus it looks like a really cool phone. We've got the Stargazer palette, and if you kind of see, they have like a unicorn constellation. So this is only for the eyes. If we pop it open, take a look at all of the glitter. Like, we are gonna have so much fun putting this on my forearm. It's just loaded. I wanna test all of them out. Let's get started. Toy Caboodle fans, here are all of the fun colors. Which one did you like? I gotta say, I really liked this bold red and this really vibrant turquoise. That one was awesome. As you all can see, these are gel consistency. So you gotta leave them on your eyes for a little bit. You can spread them around, but they really do typically stay on your eyes. We get out close in our Stargazer. Since we're on space and the sky and the stars, we've got a Space Babe. It has fun star confetti on top. If we pop this open, we've got a mirror and we have some pretty awesome eyeshadow. This definitely reminds me of a galaxy. Let's take our purple. We're gonna go down a little bit. Oh, pretty. Oh, I want to try all of these. Let's take this color. Wow, they're so vibrant. All right, it's gonna mess this up, but that's okay. We've got the blues. Beautiful. And then we have this one. This one's going to be probably one of my favorites right here. Oh, Caboodle fans, look at how awesome. And then we have a darker kind of pastel purple. Wow, those are beautiful. Closing you up, little Space Babe. We've got a huge heart palette and it's super glittery. Texture, I don't know about that texture. We can pop it open. Of course, we have a mirror. Take a look at these designs. We've got butterflies that have eyeshadow and a beautiful star. All right, how does this open? Of course, it just rotates. Around we go. Oh, cool, look at the stuff they added here. What is this? So this is lip gloss. We've got more lip gloss here. Plus we have some eyeliner. We've got black and blue. So this is actually purple. So this is what the eyeliner would look like on your eyes. And then let's see how dark the black is. Oh yeah, and it's so smooth too. We've got the bigger brush because we've got some blushes. Plus we have a little sponge too. So this one looks like, oh, this is like a foundation first, and then you have your blushes. Wow, this is definitely a go-to because it has everything. We have a little suitcase. Not a suitcase, this is like a little caboodle. It fits everything in here. So on the outside, it has really pretty colors. It has this big bow. If we open it up, looks like we've got some lip glosses. We've got more lip glosses on the bottom. Plus, when you're all done using these up, you can use this caboodle to store other things. Which one should we try? Should we try the purple one? We haven't done purple. Oh, wow. This one's super glossy. Look, it is almost like paint. You're painting your lips. That's exactly what you're doing. So this is the purple. Oh, it's super glossy. I love it. This one was really cool. Plus, I like the little caboodle you can take. Claire's also has these little backpacks that you can wear. So they have for you some nail polishes. They have some eyeshadows, some lip glosses, plus another lip gloss. You can take all of those out and store them in your backpack. What's really cool is that you can see what's in there. Plus, you can store a lot of other things too. Back to our palettes. Take a look at this one. It has some fun emojis on this one. It's like a journal. You literally just pop it open. Oh, it's like a book of eyeshadows. I just want to use my finger. Oh wow. Take a look at how awesome. It's like a rose gold. Whoa, oh, whoa. What is this one gonna look like? Oh, this one's silvery. Let's put it right next to it. Oh, awesome. I bet these are vibrant too. You get a mirror, plus you have your brushes. This one's definitely one of my favorites right here. We've got two big sets left. This is a JoJo Siwa one. Let's go ahead and pop this open. So this is like a little heart bag. Plus you can see everything that's inside. And it has JoJo Siwa written on it. Oh, fun. We have a little compact with a bow, of course. Oh, it's a mirror. Two lip glosses. It has JoJo Siwa on it. I want to try this one. All right, I'm running out of room. Oh, wow. Take a look at how glossy that is. super pink. Then we have 2 nail polishes. So these are water-based, so they're very easy to remove. We've got a nail file. It has some cute bows, plus a eyeshadow palette. If we open it up, take a look at all of these fabulous eyeshadow colors. I really like the glittery ones. Plus, you could store everything back in here. There's so much room, so you could always store other things. Little fans, I saved the best for last. We have this giant, it's like a suitcase. It is. Oh, it's like a giant caboodle. Plus, you have this eye protector from the light when you're sleeping. Cool, it's like a little scrunchie on your eyes. Actually, it's sequins on your eyes. This is huge. All right, this is like different colors in the light. We've got blues and purples. I can't wait. I didn't even look at this yet. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. So we've got a mirror up on top, and then we have some pretty awesome colors. So it looks like we've got some blushes. We've got even a bronzer right here. Some really pretty eyeshadows. Look at those little earthy tones. The best part are the glittery ones right here you can put on your eyes. If we go to the bottom right here, we've got some lip glosses, mascara, lipstick, and some brushes. I really want to try this lipstick. Look at the color on that. Let's go right here. Whoa! That is awesome. All right, well now we have to put some lip gloss on that. Here we go. Just make it a little bit more glossy. And the eyeshadows, I really want to try this blue one. I don't know how this is gonna look, but let's just put it right here. Wow, okay, yeah, that's really glittery. This is a huge makeup set. Hoofda hoofda, we opened up so many makeup palettes today, sets. It was ridiculous. You know what's ridiculous? My forearm and my hand. Well, it's kind of awesome in a way. Caboodle fans, I hope you enjoyed this full box opening of our makeup sets from Claire's. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, which one would you pick? I think I would just have them all. Subscribe and stay sweet.